Hey everybody, David Walker over here at Collierville Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram. Just wanted to show you a little bit of something since you don't get to see it on the lot. All of our tops are always on over here. So I want to show you what the Wrangler's like in its pure form. So the top two pieces and the back piece are already off. They're in my garage. It's a nice sunny day. It's beautiful out here. I keep them off. But you normally have two bolts right here that your Jeep toolkit can take off. I always leave those off during the summertime just because it makes it quicker for me. All right, there's another bolt right here for your tension. Creates tension on your door. You take that off, I always keep that off too. You snap this piece off, you got your wiring harness right here. Disconnect that. Come around. That's how easy it is. Door number two. It's that easy. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. We have over 100 of these on the ground. Coming up to Collierville Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram. We'll bend over backwards for you. I'm going to go enjoy this day.